Did you know that up to 50% of older adults could be dealing with magnesium deficiency without even realizing it? It's a silent issue hitting men over 60 hard, and it might be sapping your energy right now. Imagine this. Meet Bill, a 67-year-old guy just like you. Loves tinkering in his garage, spending time with grandkids, but lately, he's been hit with nagging leg cramps at night, feeling irritable during the day, and his heart's been skipping beats more than usual. Bill chalked it up to just getting old, but turns out it was a sneaky magnesium shortage messing with his body. Stories like Bill's are everywhere among senior men, where this essential mineral slips away quietly, affecting everything from your muscles to your mood. But don't worry. Today, as your friendly mentor, I'll show you why you need more magnesium after 60 and exactly how to get it. Let's turn things around. Now let's start with the basics. What magnesium actually does for your body. Role of magnesium in muscle, heart, and nerve health. Magnesium is like the unsung hero in your body, a mineral that keeps things running smoothly, especially as we age. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions, but let's focus on its stars: muscles, heart, and nerves. First, muscles. Magnesium helps them contract and relax properly. Think of it as the oil in your engine. Without enough, things get stiff and crampy. Step by step, it balances calcium, which triggers contractions. Too little magnesium and muscles stay tense. For the heart, it regulates rhythm and blood pressure, acting like a natural pacemaker. Low levels can lead to irregular beats or higher pressure, real risks for us guys over 60. Nerves. Magnesium calms the nervous system, transmitting signals smoothly. Analogy. It's the traffic cop keeping signals from jamming up, preventing irritability or tremors. Mini story. Take my buddy's dad, a 72-year-old who used to hike but started feeling weak muscles and palpitations. Obstacle. He ignored it, thinking it was age, a common mistake that lets deficiencies worsen. Before, constant fatigue, skipping workouts. After boosting magnesium, stronger strides, steady heart, back to those trails. Transformation, from worn out to wired right. But here's where it gets interesting. What if you're deficient and don't know it? Symptoms of magnesium deficiency. Common in seniors, deficiency sneaks up, especially in seniors, where absorption drops and diets might lack. Common symptoms? Let's break them down with real examples. Early signs: fatigue and weakness, like your battery's always low. Then muscle cramps or twitches, nausea, loss of appetite. More serious: irregular heart rhythms, numbness, or even mood swings like anxiety. Step by step, it starts mild. Maybe you're more tired after golf. Progresses to cramps waking you up, then potential heart flutters. Hypothetical scenario. Picture Frank, 65, dismissing his headaches and leg tingles as normal aging. Challenge. Many men skip checkups, mistaking symptoms for other issues like stress. Before, daily discomfort, less active. After diagnosis and fix, energized days, no more pains. Payoff. Reclaim your vitality. And this is the part most people get wrong. They think food alone covers it, but let's see how to source it right. Food sources and supplement advice. Getting magnesium starts with food, nature's best way. Aim for 420 milliliters daily for men over 51. Top sources: leafy greens like spinach, 157 ml per cup cooked. Nuts like almonds, 80 milliliters per ounce. Seeds: pumpkin seeds pack 150 milliliters per ounce. Whole grains, beans, and even dark chocolate. Analogy. Think of your plate as a magnesium magnet. Fill it with these for steady supply. If diet falls short, common in seniors due to absorption issues, supplements help. Advice: start with 200-400 milliliters magnesium citrate or glycinate for better absorption. Take with meals to avoid upset. Consult doc first, especially with meds. Anecdote. Remember Bill? He added spinach smoothies and almonds daily, plus a supplement. Obstacle. Forgetting doses, set reminders. Before, deficient diet, symptoms galore. After, balanced intake, feeling robust. Aspirational, simple swaps for big health wins, but here's where it gets interesting. How does this boost sleep and banish cramps? How magnesium improves sleep and reduces cramps. Magnesium shines for sleep and cramps, key complaints in senior men. For sleep, it relaxes nerves and muscles, boosting GABA for calm. Studies link higher levels to better rest, longer, deeper sleep. Cramps. It eases muscle tension, potentially cutting nighttime leg issues, though evidence varies. Step-by-step, evening dose calm system, over weeks, fewer cramps. Case study. John 70, tossed nightly from cramps. Poor sleep. Relatable hurdle. Doubting supplements work. Many try once and quit. Before, exhausted days, irritable. After consistent magnesium, sound sleep, cramp-free nights, transformation, rested and ready for life. The payoff? Nights that recharge you. But watch out, too much isn't better. Warning about overconsumption. Balance is key. Overdoing magnesium, especially supplements, can backfire. Risks: diarrhea, nausea, cramps from mild excess, rare but serious, low blood pressure, irregular heartbeat if kidneys struggle. Step by step, stick to RDA, monitor symptoms, kidney issues, lower dose. Hypothetical. Envision Mike overloading on supplements for quick fixes. Mistake. Ignoring labels common in eager starters. Before, good intentions, bad tummy. After adjusting, safe benefits. Encouragement, smart intake for sustained health. Magnesium could be the missing piece for your best years yet. Start incorporating it today. If this sparked something, like and subscribe for more senior health gems, and grab those food lists in the description. You've got this. Here's to stronger, healthier you. Catch you next time.